To import stocks via CSV, first select your warehouse and clicking on the Import Stock Take button. A view will then open. Click on Download Import Template. The transaction date and time is when the stock count occurred. Once the stock take is imported, any stock calculated after this date and time will be adjusted to use to revise stock counts. The sample template shows 4 columns. You must include the record ID and product name with each CSV import. You can choose to update the stock on hand column or the average unit cost column, or even both columns. The CSV import will ignore blank cells. If you leave the average unit cost or the stock on hand value blank, the current values in CRM will be retained. To export your current product and stock values, you can use either reports or product exports. In this example, we will use the export under products. You can use filters and views to find your products. Click on the edit icon to specify the columns to display. In this report, I have included the product name, stock on hand, and average unit cost. The record ID is automatically included in the export and does not need to be selected here. Once you have updated your report, click on Save. Click on Actions, then click on Export Products. Click on Export. This view will tell you if the product is still in progress or completed. Once it's completed, the export file is ready for download. Click on Download. This will download a CSV file containing the products and current stock values. Using this file, you can update the stock values ready for the CSV import, adding and removing any rows. From the stock management, on the warehouse filter, select the warehouse you selected prior to downloading the template. Click on Import Stock Take. Upload the CSV by clicking on Choose File. The transaction date and time is when the stock count occurred. Once the stock take is imported, any stock calculated after this date and time will be adjusted to use to revise stock counts. Upon import stocks, there will be a notification saying stocks are now being processed on the queue. To view the import progress, click on the Stock Take Management button. Clicking Refresh button will update the sync summary. Clicking Download button will download a spreadsheet with the products synced by statuses, in progress, in queue, and processed. The import has now reflected into stock management.